Hi, I'm Zach with American Eagle Harley, and right here we have our brand new bike of the week. It's going to be our 2022 Road Glide Special. This one's coming with the Screamin Eagle 131 Stage 4 kit. Also featuring the zombie muffler made by Tap Performance. Let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. This one's coming with the Suicide Chopper Sissy Bar. And we have our factory 47 12-inch mini ape hangers. Right here we have our Boombox GTS sound system.
Give it to me.
If you'd like to test ride this one or any other bikes that we have lined up, go ahead and contact Zach and we can go ahead and help you out from there.